Good afternoon. Good afternoon to madams and sir. My name is Mohammad Hazra Parvi. So working from the ASD Women's Degree College in Autonomous in Kakinada. So I'm Commerce Department. Today explain the topic of human resource management. Human resource management is the way every organization and companies is very important to human resource management. Is the managerial things. What is means to explain that human? Human means employee. Management means how can run in the organization to way to the standard level to the employee. Earlier I told about that human means the like the who people in organization, the like a sector in management, way to communicating in the standard levels. Management means in the coordinating of organization. How to coordinating the employee coordination and relationship in wherever and whatever to the processing setters in the management. The coordination is like the business and activity in the planning in the way to communicate in the standard level of the management, in the prospects in organization setters. So what is the definition of human resource management? The definition of human resource management, the few things we are follow that planning, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. So few things we are follow that management. Why? Because the first we have to planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. So what is means to planning? So there is main things to utilize in the planning prospects utilizing in the management system. The planning and organizing and directing to maintain the way of to communicate and the standard level in the things in the follow from the view of the prospects. Why? Because to communicating level to the responsibility in the organization and management standard levels. So we explained that scope of human resource management. Scope of HRM. Scope of HRM is the two things we will follow that. First one, professional significance and social significance. What is the professional significance? Any employee, we are follow that few things we are the management things. Professional significance means the teamwork of the employee in the healthily working environment. So the employee is the first of healthily working environment. The employee is the master skill and capability of the person. Why should have to capability? The employee is the working in the management, the task and duty and responsibility is very important. There is a very important of capability of the person. The employee is very important to coordinating the maintenance of dignity. The very important of dignity level. To the dignity level to approach in the management, how to run in the prospects in the system. Next up, employee the very important to work focus in organization. The work focus means if the any work through the error like that recollecting of the management. We have that recollecting of the management to collecting system, the management of professional system of analyzing in the organization and the prospects in organization and whatever will be there, the employee rolling system. So next we are the earlier told about the scope of human resource management. Next, importance of human resource management. What is the importance of HRM? That means human resource management. The importance of HRM. What is the main things of job analysis, planning, designing, the different view things of utilized. What is the first one? HR planning. HR planning. What is means to HR planning? Why have to maintain the managements? Why have to follow from the rules of actuation the situations? The HR planning is also called employment planning. What is that? Employment planning. Employment planning. The HR planning is nothing but employment planning. Employment planning. Why to plan to the employee the recruit in the process? The employment planning is the process to getting a right people in the qualified the job in a right time. Already I told that right person, right people in the right time in the job in the qualified persons. Who is the qualified? The qualified candidate is very important to the organization. The qualified candidate is must and should. The what is the professionality, what is the candidate process, everyone to observe the qualified system prepared from the planning. Employment planning is very important. Next one, job design or analysis. First one, explain the analysis. Analysis means to information about the job. We are working to do from any jobs. What about the information? What is the analysis? What is the designing about the job? Job analysis means information about the job. The information about the job means and wherever and whatever you are working, the prospects to like that achievement, setting in a goal, a systematic view. The information about the job means systematic view. Where the job is the different types of the your organization. But the follow from the systematic view in the leadings and prospects, everyone to observe from the responsible duty and task. So some points we will explain that duty and task and information about the responsibility are working from the any job. The first one task will implement the task about the process of the investigation system and internal of external. Next up duty is must and should. Which duty we have to do the job in the responsibility in the job. The working prospects in the job like internally and externally whatever will be there. The first job analysis to prospects like a duty and information and prospect that do the job in working. Next up, job design. The job design is a core function. Job design is a core function. The ability to explain that in the follow from the rules to motivate it to the people. So explain that motivated to the people like a tools, technological system is a wherever and whatever utilizing the process. The job design is like a motivated to the person, the tools in the management, the prospects of the organization to working the what is the designing in the way to the communication standard. Next up, employee motivation. The motivation means to action of the plan. Everyone have to motivate it. But you have to prepare in the plan. Otherwise, you are like a subordinates, like employee, like some whatever will be there. The organization is not a small, it's a big organization. So everyone how to prosper like a training system. Everyone to lead some prospects, leading of the people, however and whatever to the job design is few things is follow from the employee. Next up tools. Were employed from the using from the organization some working which view to the follow from the instructions of the tools like a technological system like a department information system whatever will be there follow from the job design. Next employee motivation we have the follow from that action of the plan to the prospects to the some view things to communicated the relationship like a subordinate the next level how to improve in the employee. As I know, the next level, how to improve the motivation of the employee. The few things are follow from the importance of HRM. Next, explain that functions of HRM. Functions of HRM. Every organization, every company, there is a main functions will be follow that. There is a two things, managerial functions, next operative functions. Managerial functions, I will explain that. Managerial functions means how can manage in the organization, how can manage in the situations, how can manage to analyzing the view of to communicating people. There is a managing function is the planning. Earlier I told that planning, organizing, directing and controlling. There is a few things we are follow from the organization. What is the plan? The plan is to designing the goal in the objectives. Everyone have to the different plans will be there. You and me, like a long term and short term. But a reach in the first we are goal from the objective way. We are goal from the objective way. Why? Because to long term and short term plans are different view things. But how to very important of preparing the planning system. Next, organizing. Organizing is nothing but to how can organize the management, how can follow from the rules, how can follow from the prospects in the managerial system to approach in the designing view to the management of departments to like a rules and regulation from the organization. Next, directing way. The directing way to how to direct in way how to communicate, way how to follow from the plan in the prepare from the planning sheet. The directing way is very important to communicating to the employee, way to communicate in the start. So earlier I told the planning, organizing and directing. The controlling management is very important. We are prepared from the plan, we are prepared the way of to organizing, we develop from the way of to directing, way to communicate. Last one is the controlling management. The controlling management, the overall to control in the organization. The organizing is nothing but way of to different departments will be there. Every department the controlling to way of to standard level, way of to analysis in the employee, how to training, how to selecting, how to manage the things, how to recruitment process, placements, everyone to observe the controlling management. So example, we are joining from the X company, recruitment process, selection process, placement process, everyone to accept that. Example, working from the X company, the recruitment process, selection, placement, induction, everyone to observe the prospects in the sector in the organization. So why? Because to employees are very important to the organization, what and why to do and wherever we are working from the organization system. I told about the different view things of human resource management. So human resource management means manage things to where and where what view to communicate, how way to manage the things to organization. I told the introduction of human resource management. Human resource management means human means employee, management means how can manage the things to develop in the organization, to like a coordination system, like a organization objective and the social processing system analysis in the organization. Next, importance of HRM. The importance of HRM is the two things will be that explained: professional significance and social significance. Professional significance means teamwork of the employee in the processing of organization, skill and development process, like a maintenance of dignity and the organization system in wherever we are the like the processing of organization. Like that work when we correcting of the work, the recorrecting of the management. Any work we have to some erroring, but management is a recollected. What is the some process will be there, like a step one, step two, step three will be. The management is a, what is the analysis in the step by step and explain the management like an employee. There is a one of the professional significance. Social significance means we have to utilize the job in the need of the qualified candidate only. There is a maintains the satisfaction like a systematic physiological satisfaction. So example, I'm working from the X company, I'm not satisfied. The salary way, then whatever will be the different view things. The employee is the must and should the follow from the view things we are follow that. There is a very important of sociological system. Next, I explain that functions of HRM: planning, organizing, and directing, the controlling of management. Why? Because to any company, any organization, any management, the four things is manager things. Do not we are managing the organization, management will be zero. The everyone how to prepare in the plans, how to prepare in the organization, how to prepare in the management to way to the communication standard levels, way to employ like a training, like a recruitment process, everyone to design the directing way of to. So all one we have to observe that, but controlling management is very important. Why? Because to management will be there, organization will be there, everyone have to prepare in the planet. The management is do not control in the organization, the very nil in the prospects of the employee. Everyone the very important things of management. Why? Because to there is only managerial things. Idea told about the operating functions. Operating function means job analysis, like a human HRM of the processing of the system, planning, motivating to employee development skills, everyone to the operating management. Employee development. What is employee development? Like a task, like a prospects, everyone to training purpose to the organization, how to wear and what to wear to communicate in the standard levels. In the prospects of management. The management is those things to develop in the organizing, like a planning, like a design, like a controlling, like a job analysis. Everyone to observe. What is the only I told about the selection process. Selection, how can select? Anyone are going from any organization, any company. How can select? We are going from the first recruitment process. Yes or no? Recruit. So recruit will be there. After that, the test and training, like a salary combination. So whatever will be there. There is a one by one step by process in the organization. We follow from the rules and regulations. way of to communicating, way of to dignity, way of to prospects, way of to qualification of the candidates. Everyone to observe from the prospects in organization and the management levels. The what is the placements? Anybody tell the students placements. The placements in a organization, wherever you are working from there is a prospects in the employee, wherever you are working from the experienced candidates, like a prospects, like a rule from the employee, we are working from the 5 years in the company. We are going from the Hyderabad and whatever will be there. The placement, we are the prospects set are in the organization and we are to the communicating. The like a planning, organization, directing and controlling. It's a very important of the things to utilize in the management. Everyone to observe in the prospects in the management. I told about the human resource management, functions, importance, scope, and what about the analyze in the operating functions. As a small we explained that operating function is only from that managerial function means only the management organizations. Operating functions will be there. The joining the employee we are follow from the rules. The motivating section, an employee, to controlling management, to the skill development system. Everyone to develop from the operating system. Why? Because the skill development is very important to the employee. How to communicate, how to analysis, how to manage all things, how to prospects in the organization, how to verify the system you to the technological system. Everyone to utilize from the management in the operating system. Operating system is clear and clarity about the how can manage in the management and human system. There is a very few things utilized. I told that management is a controlling of the employee, how to and where to and what to do. Why? Because to managerial skills is very important to analyzing in the organizations. Example, we are training from the 100 members from X company. How can train? How can manage? Like you do of the timing period of 3 months or 1 month. Like you do from the work. What and where am I? We have to work is complete. This is manage the things. Like a skill development process. Whatever will be there. We are like the manager things is very important to the management. Like an employee. The employee is very important to the qualified and the right time in the right job in the prospects of the employee. So who is the selected the process in the organization is a very humanistic view in the process of the management. There is a few things of human resource management. The human resource management means everyone to managerial things and operating things to follow from the specific view to the prospects. Thank you. Thank you one and all. These prospects, we are follow that. Anybody have to that. Everyone to follow from the companies and managements and organization or colleges or schools. Everyone will be there. We are the rule from the managerial things. Thank you one and all.